Hello achievers, welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to solve TCS NQT questions. These questions will help you understand the type of questions asked in the exam and how to approach them. Now let's get started. So first one, see here, what is the first question? Two trains A and B are moving in the same direction. Okay, so two trains A and B are moving in the same direction on parallel tracks. The speed of train A is 160 km per hour and speed of train B is 70 km per hour. The length of the train B is 72 meters. Train A completely overtakes train B in 5 seconds. Find the length of train A. Okay, fine. So here if you observe, there are how many trains? Two trains. In which direction they are moving? In the same direction. Okay, and what is the speed of first train? 160 km per hour. And what is the speed of second train? 70 km per hour. So from this we can tell, like, relative speed when two trains are moving in same direction, relative speed is like difference of speed. Okay, so difference of speed. So what is the difference of 160 and 70? Which is equal to 90 km per hour. Okay, now what they have given, the length of the train B is 72 meters and you need to find the length of train A. And train A completely overtakes train B in 5 seconds. So length of train B plus length of train A is equal to speed. So it is in 90 km per hour. So how to convert kilometer per hour to meter per seconds into 5 by 18. So into, okay, this is nothing but speed. And what is the time taken? 5 seconds. Okay, it is nothing but 5 seconds. Now we'll solve this. So this is 1 time and this is like 5 times. So 5 into 5 into 5. So what is 5 into 5 into 5? So 5 into 5 into 5 is 125. So 72 plus A is equal to 125, in the sense A is equal to 125 minus 72, which is 53 meters. Okay, so the length of train A is 53 meters. Okay, next one. So product of two numbers is 6845. So let me consider there are two products. Okay, so sorry, two numbers X and another number is like Y. Okay, so what they are given, so product of two numbers, that is X into Y, is equal to 6845. If first number is 5 times the second number, okay, let me consider first number as it is X and second number is like, sorry, second number is like Y. So 1 second. Okay, so what they have given, first number is 5 times of second number. Okay, so let me take, this is first number and this is second number. So 5y and y. So 5y into y is equal to 6845. So from this, y square is equal to 6845 divided by 5. If I cancel, this is 1 and 3 and 6 and 9. So y square equal to 1369. So then what will be the value of y? So what is root of 1369? So root of 1369 is nothing but 37. So find the sum of the numbers. So what is sum of these numbers? 6y. So you already know y equal to 37. So 6y we need to find, because sum of the numbers is 5y plus y, which is 6y. So 6 into 37. Okay, so what is 6 into 37? So 6 7 sir. Okay, what is 6 7 sir? 42. So carry over 4. So 6 3 is 18. 18 plus 4, 22. So answer is 222. Okay, next. A car travels from point A to B at 20 km per hour and travels back from B to A at 60 km per hour. Find the average speed of the car. So what is the formula for average speed? So formula for average speed is 2 into S1 into S2 divided by S1 plus S2. Okay, so here 2 into, what is the speed of first car? 20. What is the speed of second car? 60. So what is S1 plus S2? 80. So this is 1 time and this is like 4 time. Again this is 1 time and this is like 2 time. Again 1 time and it is 30. So average speed of the car is 30 km per hour. Okay, next. A man sells an item at 7360 and incurs a loss of 8%. So let me consider original cost price is like 100%. Now this person incurs a loss of 8% in the sense that person will be selling the item at 92%. But for what price that person is selling, which is 7360. what price should he sell the item to gain 14 percentage? See, 100 rupees product he wants, that is 100% product he wants to sell it at 114 percentage. So 92 percentage is 7360, in the sense 114 percentage is how much? Okay, so now if you cross multiply, so x is equal to 7360 into 114 divided by 92. So now let's cancel it. So if we cancel, so okay, this is like, which table we can cancel in this? Okay, we'll cancel by 4 table. So this is 23 times. Okay, and this one 1, okay, 840. Okay, so again I will cancel this. So what we can do, will be cancelling it by 23 table. This is like 1 time, and 23 into 8, so 8 3 is a 24 to 18, so this is like 80 times. So 114 into 80, that is 114 into 8, so 8 4 is a 32, 3 88 plus 3 91, so answer will be 9120. So answer for this one is 9120 rupees. Okay, next, A and B invest rupees 10,000 and 20,000 in your business. A gets a royalty of 10% and rest of the profit is shared according to their investment. Okay, find the profit earned by A if net annual profit is 2380. Okay, see, what is the total profit? 2380. So this 2380 is divided among A and B, and here if you observe, A gets a royalty of 10%. So what is 10% of 2380? So 10% of 2380 is 238. Okay, that is, out of 2380, as a royalty 238 rupees has been given to A. So what is the remaining amount? So remaining amount is like 2142. Now they want to divide this 2142 based on their investment. Okay, so based on their investment, that is 1:2. So into 1 divided by 3. Okay, so 714. So A will be getting extra 714 rupees. So what will be the thing here? So this is 2, and here it is like 5, and it is like 9. So what is the question? Profit earned by A is nothing but 952 rupees. Okay, next, a man earns a salary of 12,000 and spends 68% of it. So find his savings. See, if a person earns 100 rupees, that person is spending 68 rupees. Okay, that means what will be the remaining amount? 32 rupees. Now the question is, what is 32% of 12,000? Okay, anyhow zeros and zeros is going to get cancelled. So 32 into 120. Okay, so what is 32 into 120? So 32 into 10 is like 320, and 32 into 2 64. So answer will be 3840. Next, the average of 10 numbers is given as 40. Okay, however, one number was mistakenly recorded as 40 instead of 45. What will be the correct average after correcting the mistake? See, initial mark is like 45, initial record or initial value is like 45, but it was wrongly entered as 40. That means how much less it has like how much less value it has been entered? It is like 5. So now what we have to do? We have to divide this 5 equally to the total 10 numbers. That means if you are dividing it, you will be getting 0.5. It will be increased to each and every number. So what is the original average for 10 numbers? 40. Now each and every number is going to increase by 0.5. So answer will be 40.5. Okay, answer will be 40.5. Otherwise, if you want, you can take this value. Okay, so correct average equal to, okay, this formula you can take, correct average equal to, okay, wrong average plus sum of correct number minus sum of wrong number divided by total number. Okay, so here the average they have given 40 is nothing but wrong. Why it is wrong? Because there is some mistake in the data. Okay, so 40 plus, so what is the original value? 45, and wrong value 40 divided by 10. So what will happen? 40 plus 5 by 10, 40 like 40 plus 0.5 is 40.5. So answer for this one is again 40.5. Next, the radius of a bigger sphere is 16 centimeter more than radius of the smaller sphere. Okay, let me consider radius of bigger sphere is r and radius of smaller sphere is r. Okay, smaller, and the difference is like 60. The difference between their surface area. So what is the surface area of sphere? 4 pi r square. Okay, so difference between their surface area, that is 4 pi r square minus 4 pi r square is equal to 1408. So from this, if I take 4 pi outside, you will be getting r square minus r square equal to 1408. So again it is like pi. So anyhow pi and pi will get cancelled. So what you will be getting? R square minus r square is equal to 1408 by 4, which is 352. Okay, so r square minus r square equal to 352. And here, so what is a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b, which is equal to 352. So in this, what is r minus r? Okay, that is, okay, 1 second. So it is like r plus r into r minus r. Okay, so don't get confused here. So it is r plus r into r minus r. So what is r minus r? 16. So from this, r plus r equal to 352 divided by 16, which is 22. Okay, so r minus r equal to 16 and r plus r equal to 22. So from this, we'll be getting capital R is like 19. So what we need to find? The diameter of the bigger sphere. Okay, so what is the diameter of the bigger sphere? So this is like r. So d is equal to 2 times of r. So 19 into 2, 38. Okay, so answer for this one is 38 centimeter. Okay, next. A man covers 3 equal distances with a speed of 10, 20 and 30 km respectively. Okay, average speed of the man in the whole journey is. Okay, so we can solve with 2 methods. So first one is like normal formula. So 3 into S1 into S2 into S3 divided by S1 S2 plus S2 S3 plus S1 S3. That is 3 into 10 into 20 into 30 divided by S1 into S2, that is 200 plus. So again you'll be getting 600 plus 300. So what will be getting? So 3 into 10 into 20 into 30 divided by 1100. Okay, anyhow 2 zeros will get cancelled. So at last you'll be getting 180 by 11. So 180 by 11 in the sense 176. Okay, so 16.4 by 11. Okay, so 16.4 by 11 kilometer per hour. Okay, this is one method. Another method, so 10, 20 and 30. So take the LCM. So LCM is like 60. So this 60 is nothing but consider it as a distance. Okay, so distance of 60 at a speed of 10 km per hour, in the sense time taken will be 6 hours. Here it is like 3 hours and here it is like 2 hours. So 60, 60, 60. So total how many? 180 divided by, so 6 plus 3 plus 2, how much it is? 11. So 180 by 11, again 16.4 by 11 kilometer per hour. Okay, so this will be the average speed of the man in the whole journey. Okay, next. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like this video, please don't forget to share this video with your friends. And if you have any doubts, please comment the doubts in the comment section. Thank you.